This is your home, your comfort zone, the one place that's supposed to be safe and predictable, until it isn't. Because disasters don't call ahead or warn you, they just break in. We are talking about burst pipes, electrical surge, and the usual drama in your kitchen. Yeah, things can go downhill fast. You get home insurance and think, all right, I'm protected. Then one day, you find yourself in a total mess, and the insurer says, that's not covered. Wait, what? Home insurance isn't always what it seems. It can protect you or leave you with the bill. Today we'll break down what's covered, what's not, and how to avoid hearing the dreaded, sorry, that's not covered. But first, a quick thank you to everyone who's subscribed. And I've got something special in the works for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to join us. So you think your standard policy covers it all? Well, sorry to break it to you, it does not. Having standard coverage is like locking the door, but leaving the windows wide open. Let's break down what a standard policy covers. It covers the basics, such as the structure. This includes the house itself, the walls, roof, floors, and built-in fixtures like cabinets and plumbing. So if a storm damages your roof or a fire ruins the walls, this helps cover repairs. The contents, meaning your belongings inside the house, furniture, electronics, decorations. It also covers personal belongings like clothes, smartphones, and laptops if they're stolen or damaged. Another coverage is liability protection. So if someone gets injured on your property and decides to sue, this coverage helps with legal fees and medical bills. Sounds like a solid safety net, right? But here's the catch. These core protections don't cover everything. And when you face real disasters, those gaps can cost you thousands. Standard policies leave out gaps, so, depending on your location and circumstances, these add-ons could be lifesavers. Flood insurance. Flood damage isn't usually covered in a standard policy. If you live near a river, the coast, or in a flood-prone area, this coverage is crucial. Flood repairs can be devastatingly expensive without it. Earthquake coverage. Earthquake damage is often excluded, even in regions with known seismic activity. Without this, any quake damage means paying out of pocket. Extended replacement cost. If rebuilding costs rise unexpectedly after a disaster, this add-on helps cover those extra expenses so you're not left short. SRCC, strikes, riots, and civil commotion. In areas where political unrest or civil disturbances are a concern, this coverage protects your home against damage caused by protests, riots, or strikes. These extras aren't just add-ons. They can mean the difference between bouncing back quickly or facing financial ruin after a disaster. Exclusions are the hidden holes in your coverage, where your insurance quietly stops protecting you. Many assume they're fully covered, but these common exclusions prove otherwise. Gradual damage from slow water leaks or lack of maintenance. If your house is unoccupied for a long period, coverage could be suspended. Damage from asbestos or mold are excluded. Undisclosed major renovations can void your claim. Understanding these exclusions helps you avoid costly surprises later. Make sure you get the most out of your insurance. Here's how to maximize your benefits. Check your policy limits so you know what's covered, and if you need more. Tell your insurer about any home upgrades or changes to avoid problems later. Review your policy regularly to make sure it still fits your needs. Keep an up-to-date home inventory with photos and receipts. Understand your deductible. This is the amount you bear before insurance steps in, so you're prepared for what comes next. Smart planning now means fewer headaches if disaster strikes. Have you ever wondered how your premium is calculated? Here are the key factors that influence the cost of your home insurance. First is the location. Where you live helps the insurer weigh risks like crime rates and nearby hazards. The age and condition of your home matters. Your past claims play a big role in your premium. Safety measures like alarms and smoke detectors can lower your cost. Knowing what affects your rate can help you save money without losing coverage. We talked about what your policy covers, what it misses, and the extra coverage that make all the difference. Home insurance isn't just paperwork. It's the safety net you hope you never need, but one you'll be glad you got right. Protect your home the right way. Check your policy, ask the tough questions, and stay informed. So do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.